Hello and welcome to the 39th Puppet Challenge. So today, I'm going to use those puppets to do the 39th challenge. So, tonight is the night where this bear is going to meet the devil, and it's going to be creepy. So, hope you enjoy. So, we'll begin the 39th Puppet Challenge starting right now. So, here we go. All right. We'll begin. 1, 2, 3. Action! Wow. It is so dark out here. I can't even see a thing. So, it is so creep out. Oh no. What are you? What are you doing here? Today's the day for you, Bear. Everything you know, everything will be mine. I do not like this. Oh boy, this is not good at all. Hello? I don't see anyone here. Hello? What is that noise? The devil just turned into a dragon! I'm getting out of here! Okay. Wow. That devil, Lord Drygantis, just turns into the great dragon. Well, you right, Polly? I'm fine now. Thank God. Well, that great dragon is gone. So anyway, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, favorite, and I'm getting out of here. Which way do I go? Oh, this way. Surprise! Oh, just fixing that cape of mine. Oh yeah, that's better. Okay. All right. So, I myself a devil again. Well, anyway, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, favorite to the devil. We will meet again. So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time for another puppet challenge. Okay, so you all have a great day. So I'm going to enjoy the rest of my day. So peace out.